Car's coming. Sully, move. Move. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
No, you just put me in the snow.
The car is coming. I know we're crazy. We're walking to Julie's house. We're walking to Julie's house because we're going to go with her and take her nieces halfway home. Yes, walking. And as you can see,
Are you really taking a video?
yeah, that's Sully. And it's still snowing madly over here. It is gorgeous.
No, it's not.
The Ecolab.
The Ecolab?
The Ecolab.
What's that?
Is stuck right there.
What's an Ecolab?
That thing right.
Oh, that thing.
Yep, that thing. This is awesome, amazing. Is there a car coming? No. Good. That's the idea. As you can see, this orange thingy here is pulling snow to the side. And Julie! The kids are playing with the dog! Sully, you're right in the middle of the camera.
Great.
If you move to the side. Look at all that snow right there. Woohoo! Almost by that window. Julie! Yes, I'm running! I'm filming right now. There's like, oh, so much snow. Wow.
We were walking all the way to Hala.
Look at this.
Walking all the way to...
Julie!
Take a video.
You're taking video also? Hey! I'm taking video with my phone. This is awesome! Wow. Walk, Butch. Snow is up to our knees. And we are walking. How many miles are we planning to walk?
I'm not walking.
Huh?
Isabel, come over here.
How many miles, Julie?
We're staying right next to Emily. I don't like you like that.
How many miles? There will be no
cars by here.
I know.
They're coming out.
Kids playing. This is crazy.